Hello viewers, welcome in my channel. How to do? Today I'm going to share one thing with you guys, how to remove a background of image in Photoshop. For that, first of all, get ready Photoshop in your computer or laptop and get your picture on there. This picture I am going to do it today. Yeah, this picture is a pair here. We see background is white. We'll try to get rid of the white background of this picture. Okay, for that, go to select option, click color range and click the background here, white wire, which one you want to remove, and try to this fuzziness in the middle, and that is okay, and click OK. And again go to select and inverse, and again go to select and refine it, and just put selection. Here is new layer. Job is done. Here you go. This picture is completely backgroundless. So this is very simple and easy. You see, you can save it for your use. You can save it for background or without background. Just put the PNG and save. There you go. That's the simple way for you. Okay. Thank you everyone, and if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe please. Thank you very much. See you again for the new videos.